Today we look at Ski-Doo keys from the original D.E.S.S system to the modern RF D.E.S system and also the 600 EFI's traditional key and tether system. To facilitate this, I've rounded up a 2010 Renegade Backcountry 600 E-TEC which uses the original D.E.S.S system, a 2015 Tundra 600 Ace which uses the modern RF D.E.S.S system, and of course, my 2021 Expedition Sport 600 EFI and its traditional key and tether. The snowmobile's key is intended as a theft prevention device, so only the key holder can start and ride the machine. The tether is a safety device intended to be clipped to the rider's clothing. If the rider falls off the snowmobile, the tether will be pulled from its post and the snowmobile will turn off. Starting with the 2010 model, we can see that the original D.E.S.S system cleverly combined the tether and key into a single electronic unit. When clipped in place, the D.E.S.S key electronics make electrical contact with the D.E.S.S post. The D.E.S.S keys are uniquely coded, so your Ski-Doo will only start if your D.E.S.S key has been placed on the post. Once in place, the D.E.S.S key is securely retained and the engine will start. When the D.E.S.S key is removed from its post, the engine shuts off. Some users of this original system have complained of bad connections due to contamination in the key or on the post. Personally, I've been using this style of D.E.S.S key for years on multiple BRP vehicles and have never had a problem with them. Moving to the newer 2015 model, we can see the modern RF D.E.S.S key. Overall function remains the same, but these keys use RFID technology, so no electrical contact is made between the key and the snowmobile. Just clip the plastic key onto the plastic post, and the key authorizes the snowmobile to start through a radio frequency signal. When removed, the snowmobile shuts off. With no electrical connection between the key and post, this D.E.S.S system is not susceptible to failure due to corrosion or dirty contacts. The 600 EFI models don't use D.E.S.S at all. These have traditional keys. The advantages here are that spare keys can be cut by your local locksmith, long-term maintenance will be simpler, and this older tech contributes to the lower price of the 600 EFI engine. Of course, this means that a 600 EFI's tether is not a theft prevention device at all. The 600 EFI's tether post is just a push button. Even without any tether at all, the 600 EFI will start and run as long as the push button is held down. If you lost a 600 EFI tether, you could presumably tape this button down, use another 600 EFI's tether, or just bypass the wiring to get the engine to run. The 600 EFI system still provides theft prevention through the use of a traditional key and rider safety system through the use of a tether. While many of us probably feel that a traditional key is better in the long run because we can bypass the wiring or hotwire the snowmobile in an emergency, the truth is that Ski-Doo's D.E.S.S systems, both the original and the new RF system, have proven themselves extremely reliable through decades of use. In our next video, I'll show you how to get a duplicate RF D.E.S.S key 3D printed without ever visiting a dealer. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.